Today I'm making reusable, washable kitchen roll. So normally I use a standard kitchen roll, but I thought I'd save some pennies, be a bit more renewable and eco-friendly and make my own. Now these are great, they just go straight in the washing machine on a 60 and also in the dryer. They're a good size for cleaning up and all the jobs in the kitchen really. So I don't have to buy my kitchen roll anymore. So that can go. Now the easiest way I found of making it is with these tea towels. They work so well, you don't even have to sew around the edges. I'll show you this one here, look. This one has been washed and dried. They fray a little bit when you're cutting them, but after they've been washed and dried, they're brilliant. I fold them in half like that and pop them in one of these little trays. This I got from Pound Stretchers, the bargain buy shop. The tea towels, you get 5 in a pack and they're £4 a pack. They come in lots of different colours and things to match your decor in your kitchen or anything you fancy. And I got grey ones because they match my kitchen, so I got an industrial looking kitchen along with this rack. I'm sure this rack wasn't very expensive either, also from Pound Stretchers. It can just stick on your tiles in the kitchen where you'd normally have your kitchen roll. Also, you can get these, which are very handy. They just hook over your cabinets and they're easy to get to. Also, even little trays like this, little baskets. This was £1 from Pound Stretchers, which is now called Bargain Buys. And they're very handy just to put them in, easy to get to. So that's how I've sort of changed from using the kitchen rolls to these towels. So I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll open these up. Right, so open your tea towels up and have them long like this. And if you hold one side on this edge here, you're going to cut this at every 8 inches. So let's cut. Just level this off on the one side so you know you've got your first 8 inches correct. Like that. And then the next 8 is going to be on the 16. Let's get that as level as we can. There we go. So we've now cut it into 3. I'm going to then line these up together. These tea towels are just the perfect size. They're not always level on the edges, but I think that's going to be all right. So this time we're going to place it between the 4 and the 20. As much as we can. They're not even at all, but just get it as close as you can. And then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's our middle line. And we'll cut straight down there. And there you go. We now have a little selection of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kitchen towels out of 1 tea towel. So I'll use this basket to show you. I'll cut the whole pack up and then I'll have a nice selection of all little different looking tea towels. And these, I think, just look fantastic. I love them. They go so well in my kitchen as well. There you go. So then I'll place them in my little rack. And then when I need a kitchen towel, I can just pull it out and mop my surfaces. They're fantastic. I love them. I won't go back to the throwaway kitchen roll anymore, and I just even love them in the little basket. I think they look fantastic and really modern. I'll show you again. So we start on the start line there and we're going to cut 8. So each one of these will be 8 by 8 inches. There we go, 8. So then we cut on the 16. Right, and then we just unfold them. It does get a little bit bitty when you're first cutting them, but that soon just stops. Then we fold them like that. And now we're going to get on the number 4, this side, and 20. If I can get them in the middle of there, we're going to be roughly 8 inches each side. There we go. And we've got another pile. And I'm just going to go through doing that to all of these, and that will fill up my basket. So there we go. That's so easy to do and will save you loads of money in kitchen roll. So I hope you've liked my project and you'll make some of these at home and makes the world a little bit more sustainable. I hope you liked my video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.